gagawa eh. Wet your hands. Both hands, saw-saw.
Oh my god, lighting here is better.
Yeah. Make a hole in the middle, press two thumbs, gently relax. Feel the clay muna. Feel the clay. Lamig-lamig siya. Now, make a hole in the middle with two thumbs. Two. Press down in the middle, slow and gentle. Keep going down. Diinan mo pababa. Hold it there. Hold. Tama na, ma'am. Hindi palakasan ng kamay to.
Sorry.
Sige, i-hold mo siya. I-hold mo siya. Walang pressure sa labas. Hold. Feel lang sa labas. Hold it sa middle. Gently and slowly. Pull your thumbs apart to widen. Slowly po. Ibuka mo. Sige, buka pa. Walang pressure sa labas. Buka mo, ma'am. Buka. Ayan.
Buka ka!
Ayan. Magaling kang magbuka. Release. Release. Wet your hands. Good job. Play. Feel the clay. The turn of the wheel. Slide up. Bakit ka kakaban sa putik lang, ma'am? Slide up. Hold it there. Very good. One more time. Gently and slowly. Same thing. Feel the clay. The turn of the wheel. Slide up. Until the tip of the clay. Hold it there to balance. Release your hands. That's the basic shape. The beginner shape is a bowl. To make a bowl, you push it with your left to widen. Relax your right. Straighten this. Flip your thumb. Push with this part, not with your fingertips. From the bottom. Hold. 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 Push. Look here, it's widening. Maintain that pressure. Slide up slowly. Slowly lang, hindi palakasan ng kamay. Oh, kasi umiikot na yung wheel. Hold it there. Release. One more time. Be very gentle. Clip your thumb. Huwag mong ilalabas. Hold muna. Stabilize your touch. And then slowly, slide up. Slowly lang. Yan. Slowly lang until the tip. Sige, until the tip. Hold it at the top to balance. Release your hands. One more time. Mas hawakan mo naman para magkasya ang ramen.
Okay.
Sige, you're widening it into a bowl. That's a beginner shape. So go. You wall. Hold muna. Stabilize your touch. Pull the clay. Pwedeng pull the clay towards you para hindi ka mahirapan. Pull the clay towards you. Pull muna. Pull pa. Slide up. Up. Akyat. Akyat. Slowly. Don't go too fast. Slowly. Until the tip of the clay. Hold it at the top to balance. Hold lang. Release your hands. Very good job. I'll just assist you for you to see how far the clay can go. Flip your thumb. Not a lot of pressure. Hold lang to balance. You just go with the speed of the wheel kasi manipis na. Hold it there. Release your hands. That's how far the clay can go. My ball.
Good job.
Perfect. That can photo with your
You wanna have ramen with it tonight?
now after
Right.
4 months 4 months
Four-
tapos. If you want to buy it,
Hey,
This is
great job. Look at that.